Parul, you have shared this question on the WhatsApp and you want its explanation. Let us discuss this question now. This question states that 100 ml of the gaseous mixture of methane and ethene require exactly 250 milliliter of O2. It means the total volume of the methane and ethene is equal to 100 ml. Now suppose I say the volume of methane is equal to X milliliter and the volume of ethene is equal to Y milliliter. So I can say X plus Y is equal to 100. That is my first equation. Say the total volume is 100 ml and it's a gaseous mixture of methane and ethene. So this is the first equation. And after complete combustion, we observe that mixture required 250 milliliter of oxygen. It means the volume of oxygen consumed by the methane and by the ethene collectively it is equal to 250 milliliter. It means first of all we have to see how much volume is used by the methane and how much volume is occupied by the ethene. So let us write the stoichiometric equation here for the combustion reaction. So methane gas with oxygen gas. After combustion, it will give you carbon dioxide and water. So writing their physical states and then balancing it, you must see that the equation must be balanced. Otherwise, you will not get the right answer. And second gas is the ethene, oxygen, and you should understand that any hydrocarbon upon combustion gives only two compounds, two products. One is the carbon dioxide, other is the water. Now let us balance it. It is C2 both the sides, so we have to put here 2. 4 hydrogen this side, so putting here 2, and oxygen 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2 6, I can put here 3. So this is my second balanced equation here. Now if you see this equation here, X milliliter of methane and Y milliliter of ethene is combining with, means 1 mole required 2 mole, so X mole milliliter will be requiring 2X milliliter of oxygen, and for this ethene it will require 3X milliliter. Ethene requires 3X milliliter. We know that the volume and the number of moles, they are directly proportional, Avogadro's law, right? So the X plus Y is equal to 100 and 2X plus 3X is equal to 250. How I'm writing this? See the equation here that it required 250 milliliter for complete combustion. The gaseous mixture required 250 milliliter for the complete combustion. It means 2X required by the methane and 3X required by the ethene, and total volume is equal to 250. So I'm getting equation number 1 here and equation number 2 here. It is like two variable equation with the two variables here. So solving this, I am multiplying the this equation with the 2. So we get here 2X plus Y, 2X plus 2Y is equal to 200. Second equation is 2X plus 3Y is equal to 250. Right. Now subtracting here, so we can cancel out X here. So it is equal to minus Y is equal to minus 50. So cancelling out, so I can say Y is equal to 50 milliliter. This Y is nothing but the volume of the ethene here. So the volume of ethene is equal to 250 milliliter. So put the value of the Y in, let it be the first equation, I will get the value of the X. So I can say X plus Y is equal to 100 and this X plus 50, Y is equal to 50 is equal to 100, so X again is equal to 50, and this is the 50 ml of methane. So we have got the volume of the methane now, and our question demand is find the volume percentage of the methane in the mixture. We have got the volume of the ethene and volume of the methane. So I can say percentage by volume of methane will be equal to volume of methane upon total volume multiplied by the 100. So it is equal to 50 upon total volume is 100 multiplied by the 100, that comes out to be 50%. And that is your answer, 50% by volume of methane. Just go through this solution, and if you still find any difficulty, do let me know. I can give you more clarity on this. Thank you.